Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. So, one of my friend asked me which fund to invest in and which cap, like mid cap or small cap or large cap, and then how much money to save and invest every month. How fast can I get financially free? So, I thought I would ask the same questions to Chat GPT and see what it has to say so that we can all learn. Let's go with the first question. So imagine I was just starting out to invest and have no knowledge on stock market, but I want to get wealthy through the stock market. And I hear a lot of stuff on YouTube saying large cap, mid cap, and all of that. Can you please suggest me which fund to invest in simple words? Let's go. Perfect question. And you are thinking the right way, Santosh. Let's keep this super simple and practical. Just like you are explaining it to your younger self who knows zero about the stock market. Goal: you want wealth creation and safety, not gambling. Understand what a fund is. When you buy a mutual fund, you are basically asking an expert to manage your money and invest in many companies for you. So your risk is spread out. Step 2: stick to index funds. Forget all the large cap, mid cap, small cap noise for now. Just invest in index funds. These simply copy the biggest, most trusted companies in India like Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys automatically. That way, you are owning India's best 50 to 100 companies without picking stocks. Step 3: start with one fund. You only need one fund to begin. Best beginner friendly fund: India Nifty 50 Index Fund Direct Plan Growth, or UTI 50 Fund Direct Plan Growth. You can pick either. Both do the same thing. Track India's top 50 companies. Step 4: how to invest. Open a mutual fund account via apps like Grow, Zerodha. Search for the name above. Choose SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Start with 500 or 1000 per month. Consistency matters more than the amount. Step 5: stay invested for long term. Keep investing every month, 10 to 15 years. Don't check it every week or panic when markets go down. Over time, your returns will average around 12 to 15% per year, which means your money doubles every 5 to 6 years. Bonus: once you understand more, after 1 to 2 years, you can add Tariq Flexi Cap Fund for global and Indian exposure, which means not just Indian stock market. It is advising us to invest in other countries as well, so that if something bad is happening in India temporarily, your portfolio will not be hit very badly. Kotak Nifty 50 Index Fund for slightly faster growing mid-sized companies. So this, it is saying we after 1 to 2 years, once we understand the swings and once we get used to those swings, we can just start getting more exposure to different things. That's what it's saying. In one line, start a systematic investment plan in UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund, direct growth every month. Forget about it. Check it after 10 years. You will be amazed. Wow. Okay. So, can you summarize the whole thing in 5 sentences? Pick one brokerage account for me and pick one percentage of my earnings to invest every month. Let's go. So we asked it three things. Okay. First, open an account on Grow. Wow, it's beginner friendly and safe. Invest only in UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund Direct Plan Growth. Put 20% of your monthly income into this fund through a SIP, automatic monthly investment. Keep investing regularly for 10 to 15 years without stopping or worrying about the market ups and downs. Don't touch or withdraw the money. Just let the compounding make you wealthy? All right. After that, it answered which cap. It's simply saying top 50 companies and how much money to save, 20% of our money. So imagine now that I am investing 20% of my earnings. For example, if I was earning 30,000 rupees, I would be saving 6,000 rupees, which is 20% of my earnings. And then I would be putting that money into UTI Nifty 50 index fund. Assuming this, I'm at 25 years of age. Let me know at what age I would gain my financial freedom, which means I don't have to work anymore for the money. Let's see what it says. Perfect, Santosh. This is exactly how financial freedom begins. One clear, consistent plan. Let's break it down simply and realistically. No hype. Step 1. Your numbers. Age 25 years old, monthly income 30,000 rupees, investing 6,000 rupees per month, which is 20% of my earnings. Fund UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund Direct Growth Plan. Average return 12% per year, which has been the historical returns for Nifty 50. Step 2. What happens if you stay consistent? Your years invested. 10 years, we'll be at 35. I would have 13.5 lakhs. 15 years, I would have 30 lakhs. 20 years, if I keep doing at the age of 45, 60, 50 years, 1.17 crores. At the age of 55, I would be having 2 crores in my brokerage account, in my savings account. Step 3. What financial freedom means? Financial freedom is not when you hit 1 crore. It's when your investments earn more per month than your expenses. For example, if you can live comfortably on 50,000 rupees per month, which means 6 lakhs per year, you would roughly need 1.5 crore rupees invested. Let's do this. Let's do this calculation. Let's assume we have 1.5 crores in our brokerage account, which means 150 lakhs. इसमें 4% withdrawal, 0.04. Yes, that would be 6 lakhs. 150 में 4% withdrawal. Once we have the brokerage account of 1.5 crore, after consistently investing every single month 20% of our earnings, we would have 1.5 crore at some point. If we go to this table, it will be clear. Around maybe 50 to 55 years, we would have 1.5 crores. Then we can safely take out 4% per year, which is 6 lakhs per year from that brokerage account, and we don't have to work. Step 4, the freedom timeline. If you keep increasing your SIP by 10% every year, wow, 6,000 to 6,600 every year. Next year, it goes up to 70 to 100. Stick to this plan and don't withdraw. You will likely reach financial freedom by age 50 or maybe earlier, 45 to 47, if your income grows faster and you invest more. In simple words, if a 25-year-old you invest 6,000 rupees per month in the UTI Nifty 50 index fund and increase it a bit each year, like 10%, first year 6,000, next year 6,600, you can become financially free around age 45 to 50 without ever taking huge risks or needing to pick stocks. So friends, to become financially free without a lot of risk, without studying too much, Chat GPT is saying it will take approximately 20 to 25 years.